to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already. Also hit the notification bell. That way you are notified every time I drop a video. For the current subscribers, welcome back. So today we are doing a T-bone steak. I have put like a tablespoon of butter in a cast iron skillet. So I am waiting for that to melt. While I'm waiting for that to melt, I'm just going to talk to you guys. I hope everyone is enjoying your day. It is Thursday. This will be uploaded in real time, which will be on Friday. I thought I would try to show you all like a close-up video. So the seasonings I will be using, this is a Kinder's steak blend. I love also another Kinder steak blend that I use that is kind of hot. Buttery steakhouse seasonings. I'm going to use both of these on this particular steak. So it is kind of melting. So let's see if I can go ahead and put that in. One second. Just a second. I'm trying to hold my phone. I will be having a Caesar salad with this, and then I might make a loaded potato bake, which is not being made homemade, you guys, so I won't be recording that. I might make one homemade soon. So that is my season. I'm gonna let that cook possibly for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'll come back. Okay. Okay guys, I'm back. So let me see. So I did put like a tablespoon of butter in the skillet. So I'm just gonna turn this around and make sure. I like my steak medium well. So I'm probably gonna let this cook probably for like on this side probably about 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm gonna let this cook for like 3 to 4 minutes on this other side, and then I'll come back. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm back. I did already flip it over. I've already turned off the skillet as well, because it's already pretty much done to my liking. Like I said, I like my steak medium well. So this is pretty much done. Already for me. So I usually cook it in butter. It's gonna be really, really juicy. It's seasoned to perfection. I mean, I could pretty much like cut this piece of meat, as you can see. Not cut it, but like just pull it a piece off of it, off of the steak, because it's that tender. Just like that. So I mean, it's fine. But so yeah, I will definitely let me see, try to cut. Well, I can show y'all. It's already, I already turned it off. Let me see. Hold on one second. Whew. I should get enough of trying to bite this on camera where it's still sizzling, but I'm gonna do it. Steak cooks really, really fast. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, leave the girl a like. Please leave me a comment. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And when I place this up, I will actually drop a picture. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.